Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to find Steam ID number, and now let's dive right in. Now to find your Steam ID number on your Steam account, first open up your Steam app on your computer and log into your Steam account, as I've already logged into my account over here. And to proceed from here, in order to find your Steam ID number, at the top left corner of the screen you can see a bunch of menus over here, and there's a username available for us over here at the top left. And when you hover over our username at the top left, you can see a drop down menu appearing. We'll be required to click on the friends option available for us over here, and on this interface you can see the add a friend option available for us at the left side of the screen where my mouse is currently hovering. Click on the add a friend, and over here guys you will be able to find your Steam ID or your Steam code over here, and copy this code and send it to the friend whom you want to send your ID number. And with that being said guys, this is how to find your Steam ID. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.